Today I'm going to be explaining fractions using my fraction rule. Our number is 1. First is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 1 divided into 2 equal parts. Next is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 1 divided into 3 equal parts. After that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 1 divided into 4 equal parts. Next, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 1 divided into 5 equal parts. Next, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 1 divided into 6 equal parts. Next, 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is 1 divided into 7 equal parts. After that, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is 1 divided into 8 equal parts. Next, 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is 1 divided into 9 equal parts. Finally, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is 1 divided into 10 equal parts. That's all. Bye!